Hi, this is your friend SwapanPal. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. So friends, I know you are too excited because few days are left.
Happy Holi.
That's why I came today. You have a big surprise because you can be drawing very easily or casually. So friends, let's start the main drawing.
So friends, at first we will complete the basic structure of these figures. At first we will complete the girl. We will complete her face in this way. Then we complete her body, also lower portion. Okay, now we will complete the head, hands and legs. When we will draw second figure, before starting the second figure we have to complete the color bucket. Then we will complete his body, pant, also legs. Then we will complete the whole figure. Now see, all the time you have to remember one thing, that when you will make any composition, I mean both figure doing something, you have to follow the space. If you don't follow the space, then you cannot control the composition properly. Now see, I am going to second three figures. Here I have to find out the space. Then we will complete a girl, also another boy. Now see, when you will draw this composition, you have to find out the space in between two compositions. Near about our figures completed. They are enjoying Holi. Now we can start the color. Also I am wishing all of you, wish you very happy Holi. You don't forget to play Holi. So best wishes for all of you.
So friends, if you like the video, subscribe our channel and hit the like button. So stay tuned with us and tata bye bye.